Imagine you have a class where you learn everything about Microsoft SharePoint online. Microsoft SharePoint is a web-based collaboration platform that is integrated with Microsoft Office and with all other Microsoft applications. This is an amazing tool. Teamwork isn't about where you are. It's about being connected from everywhere and to collaborate with your coworkers and with your all teams. With SharePoint Online, you can create, store, and share any content you want with your co-instructors, with your co-team. It is such an amazing tool because they can do the same thing for you as well. And you have simple sharing and seamless collaborations with your partners. SharePoint empowers teamwork with dynamic and productive team site for every project team, department, and division. Engage and inform at your organization, harness collective knowledge, and transform business process and so much more in Microsoft SharePoint Online. But you have to invest something to make a great result in your teamwork and everything. So what are you waiting for? Don't hesitate anymore. Join me on another site and let's make a new experience with SharePoint Online.